In this video, I'll be showing you how to use laptop for beginners and show laptop basics. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. You can do it on literally any laptop you have. So getting a new one might be a bit daunting because you might not be used to certain things, but there's going to be a lot of basic layouts for regardless of whichever laptop you have. So the first thing you want to do, we'll just use this laptop image as an example, is locate the power button. Now, on most modern laptops, this is either a standalone physical button right above the keyboard, like on the left or right, or it's just going to be in a corner. Press it firmly for 1 full second. And then once you're going to see your Windows or Mac OS, click anywhere on the screen or press the spacebar to reveal the password prompt box, and then enter your login credentials to open the primary desktop. Now, what you want to go ahead and do is if you left click on your trackpad, that's going to basically be like to select something. So if I want to select a folder or an application, and then if I right click, it's going to show this options menu and I'm going to see all these different things. I can make a new folder. I can access different things as well. Go to show more options and it's going to reveal even more things for me. Now what I can also do is place 2 fingers on the trackpad and slide them vertically up or down to scroll smoothly through long articles, documents, or websites as well. Now, to browse the web or access cloud documents, you need to connect to your laptop's wireless network receiver to go or like to your router. So what you want to do is you just want to go ahead and type, like we can just go ahead and go over to our settings. So we just type settings in, and then from here, because this is an Ethernet symbol, so you don't want to press this because you're probably not going to see it unless you're connected via a wire to the internet. But from here, just go over to network and internet, and then go to Wi-Fi. Ensure Wi-Fi is turned on, and then go over to show available networks, and then connect to whatever Wi-Fi network you have. And then yeah, if you ever want to turn off your PC, go over to this Windows icon, click this power button, and then click shut down. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.